Well done, Tracy. Anya, what do you think of Tracy's performance tonight?
I really enjoyed that. You've got a nice voice. And it was a nice song choice too. I haven't really heard that song in a while. And you've got beautiful lower tones as well. When you were singing, I was like, she's going low and low and low. And you've done it really well. And like, I don't know if it's just me, like I just said Kelly, but I can hear you singing like country. You've got a kind of country twang. And I don't know, I feel like maybe you should explore that a bit because I'm quite intrigued. It was incredible, well done, I enjoyed it.
Kelly?
Yeah, you've got these really lovely smooth lower tones, and then I can hear like a really like subtle huskiness to your voice when you're going into your higher register. And watching you on stage, you really got into it, you know, you really got lost in music. How do you feel after that?
I start crying like
Yeah.
emotions when I sing.
Yeah. Yeah, but how do you feel now that you can put like a tip? Yeah, yeah. It was brilliant. It was. I really enjoyed the song choice. I really enjoyed how your lower tones really worked well with that. It was like a sort of like, you know, like a gospel. Joey was turning around to me, he's going, oh, you know, lower tones really spiritual, like, you know. And I understand where he was coming from. You kind of had that vibe about you. Well done.
Tracy, do you know what? First of all, you should be really proud of what you've just done. Secondly, I really enjoyed that. What I actually loved about it was that, you know, like a lot of people that tend to be stepping back into the industry tend to have, people don't realise how nervous it can be because it's kind of like, oh, am I still good enough? Is there going to be room for me because of all the youngsters coming through? And there is so much room for what you can do, all right? So I want you to know that first of all before you go there. you know, I want you to know that everyone's welcome you, no matter what age, you know. If you've got a talent, you've got a talent. If you've got a talent. You know, obviously with age, our vocals do, you know, wear and tear and that sort of thing. And I can see that is kind of getting warmed back in a little bit. And I think this sort of process would allow you to explore and learn your breathing again and catching your notes even better and things like that.
Yeah,
but along...
learn to talk again. So I don't feel like you need something. So
that could potentially be part of it. But do you know what is actually there? It's just about you just warming back into it and getting into it. That was absolutely stunning. What made it so special for me was that I could see that you was connected to the song. I could see that you was feeling it. Every little bit. And it didn't matter if the vocal went off as much in one place or didn't go for the full note in another place. Because it was so raw and so you. That's what made it special. It was very emotional, and that's very hard to get in anyone. And I get that in you, you know. So I appreciate that. If you are successful throughout this, I just want you to don't be frightened to explore with different genres of music that maybe you don't usually sing and things like that. Because the more variety you open yourself up to, the more your voice is really going to wear back into where it needs to be. So don't be frightened of trying different things. Other than that, you should be really, really impressed with what you've just done. It's so nice to have you on that stage. You've been absolutely amazing in the group chat too. So, well done.
I'm doing that as well.
Well done, girl.